Climate is the average or long-term weather pattern in a particular area of the world over a longer period of time. Climate change looks at how the general climate of a particular area on the planet is changing and why. Climate change can be natural. Over thousands and millions of years, the Earth has gone through periods of time where it became warmer and also colder. For example, ice ages are times where the climate has cooled considerably, and ice sheets cover big areas of land. This is thought to be natural and linked to the sun giving out less heat at this time, and how the Earth moves around the sun too. Another natural thing that can affect the climate is volcanic eruptions. More recently, over the past 100 years or so, the Earth seems to be getting warmer at a faster rate than is thought natural. Scientists believe this isn't natural climate change and is caused by humans instead. Increased gases released from things such as cars, factories and farms such as carbon dioxide and methane absorb the sun's heat and create a barrier that keeps the sun's heat close to the Earth's surface. We call gases such as carbon dioxide and methane greenhouse gases. As these have been increasing in the atmosphere, the Earth is getting warmer. Deforestation, burning fossil fuels, oil, coal and gas, rubbish rotting in landfill sites, and using fertilizers all increase the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. All these things are contributing to climate change.